If you're new here or feeling lost, this is the video to start with. Share it with anyone just beginning their health journey. This is the shortcut to understanding everything I teach. Let's break it down. Fast and simple. Keto, short for ketosis, is when your body switches from burning sugar to burning fat for fuel. When fat is broken down, it turns into ketones, which your body can use for energy. And guess what? Ketones are a way cleaner, more efficient fuel than sugar. I don't promote just any keto. I teach healthy keto, which focuses on getting healthy first, then losing weight. How? By giving your body all the nutrients it needs. That means high-quality, nutrient-dense foods, not just low-carb junk. IF isn't a diet. It's an eating pattern. Instead of grazing all day, snacks, 6 meals, late-night bites, you eat less frequently. Why? Because every time you eat, you spike insulin, and too much insulin is toxic. Healthy keto plus intermittent fasting equals the ultimate combo to lower insulin and unlock fat burning. Step 1. Cut out sugar and refined carbs. Cereals, juice, pasta, alcohol. You know the drill. Step 2. Eat fewer meals. Start with 3 meals, no snacks. Then transition to 2 meals, maybe even 1. When you eat less often, your insulin drops. Your body finally gets a break and starts burning fat instead of storing it. Wait, won't he lose muscle? Nope. With intermittent fasting, your growth hormone spikes, which protects muscle. Your body also gets more efficient. It starts conserving nutrients and protein. Benefits beyond weight loss. Once your body runs on fat fuel, hunger fades, cravings disappear, mood improves, brain fog lifts, energy skyrockets. Plus, healthy keto and IF can help reduce inflammation, support brain health, and improve your overall body function. What should your plate look like? Forget confusing charts and calorie math. Just picture your plate. Half equals vegetables, quarter equals protein, quarter equals healthy fats. Simple, satisfying, sustainable. Final word. Keto isn't just about getting skinny. It's about getting super healthy. So now that you've got the basics, dive into the rest of my videos. There's a ton waiting for you. Let's get started. Like and subscribe for more videos.